Alright, good evening, everybody. Okay, let's start our lecture for today. So today what we hope to cover is to in this video in particular, I want to learn how to make charts, the chart labels dynamic. So that will be covering in this video. So why we need a dynamic chart? When normally life is quite complex. So there could be a time where you want to change one or two data on your worksheet, and maybe before then you've already created charts, you've created pivot tables, you've created complex charts already. You understand? So when you now begin to make some edits on the data, those data won't reflect on the chart, being because the chart is not dynamic. You understand? The chart labels are not dynamic. But when they are dynamic, when you make any changes on your worksheet, on your data, it reflects on the chart immediately. You get? Alright, so now let's learn how do we create chart labels. How do we make chart labels dynamic? I think we covered how to make chart labels in the previous video. So how do you make chart labels dynamic? So what you want to do is this. I already created something here already. So let me just copy this and take it to a new page. Okay, copy, let me get to a new page. Alright, so there you are. So if you want to do your own work in this, you can just write what I've written here. Target should be 2000, year 1 sales should be 1000, and growth rate to be 0.6. So now what you want to do is to put year 1, create a table, year 1, let's say actual sales now. Okay, actual sales. Then in the actual sales, and then you write targets reached. Alright, so for this particular data, the target for the company, they want to make sure they sell about 2000 units in 1 year, in a year actually. So and in the first year they sold 1000. So they're not asking you to analyze in what year will it take them to, in what year will it take, like how would I put it now, in what year will they reach the 2000 sales per year. You understand? So they're giving you the target, they're giving you the sales of the first year, and they're giving you their growth rate. So how fast they grow. So what we want to do here is we want to chart out that data. You get? I want to make sure that it's dynamic all together. Alright, so yeah, you want to put year 1. Yeah, you want to put okay, first things first, select this, then come to the data. No. Define name. I said define name here, so click on define name. Then you want to there's a place I want you to get where you can get what you're looking for. Okay, please give me a minute, please. Give me a minute. Yeah, exactly. This is where we are going to. So define names. After selecting, you click on create from selection. Then you click on make sure this thing is on left column. Okay, left column. So what this thing means is that anywhere you mention target, Excel will know that you're referring to 2000. Anywhere you mention year 1 sales, Excel will know you're referring to 1000. Anywhere you mention growth rate, Excel will know you're referring to 0.2. You understand? So if I, for example, put here as Folake and I put 2000, anywhere I mention Folake, Excel will know that okay, I'm referring to 2000. Hope you got what I'm saying. So that's why it's left column. So click on OK. Click on OK. So our actual sales in year 1 was 1000. So you not write 1000, you write equals to year 1 sales. Year 1 sales. So anyway, I told you anyway I mention year 1 sales, Excel is 1000. Now click. Now you see. Then you click on enter. This is 1000 right there. All together. So what you want to do now is this. In this under this year, click on is equals to. Then you say is equals to year. This year 1 is under D6. So you say D6 plus 1. So click on enter. So you copy this formula down, drag it down. Let's say it's around 18 or whatever. So let's make it 11 years. So in this under actual sales, what you want to do now, you say equals to E. That's E6. E6 times open brackets 1 plus what's our growth rate. So you say plus growth rate. All together. So click on OK. So you copy that, drag that formula down too. So alright. So in this case now you want to put on that formula. So you want to put an if formula. So you say if. So you say if a actual sales is greater than 2000, print yes. If actual sales is less than 2000, print no. So that I want to now say okay, if open bracket E6 is greater than target. And you print, if it is true you print yes, but if it is not true you print no. Then close the bracket, click enter. Now you observe that anywhere less than 2000 to print no, anywhere greater than 2000 to print yes. So observe. Now you can see here is greater than 2000. That is, it has crossed. We have gone beyond our target sales, which is 2000. So to click yes here. Alright, so all this is we have in mind is that we want to make a dynamic chart. You understand? So alright, now we have this. So you want to ask, so which year did we eat what's the name? How do I put it now? Which year did we eat our target sales. Are we together? Are we together, please? So what you want to do now? Okay, so let's type it out. Which year? Okay, we say we hit our target sales at year. So let's see. Let's see. So how do we know which year we hit our target sales? You know, basically, you can easily see from the chart that we hit our target sales in the year. And we cut our target sales in the year in year 5. But we want to use a formula for that. In situations whereby we are doing we are dealing with a large number of data, so we want to use a formula to get it out. You get. So what you want to now, you want to copy this formula. Copy this formula. I'll write it out for you. Write it out for you. So, or instead, let me write it out here. So it equals to, so click on any cells here. Then okay, what's going on? Okay, let's not go too deep in that. So let's come here. So you use what's known as a match function. A match function. So say match. Okay, is equals to. If you write that equals to, write match. Then you open brackets. Then you say look up the value. So the value we're looking for is yes. Then comma, under which array you say f1 to f11. So you say f1 stroke. Sorry, it's f1. Our f they began with f6. So you say f6 column f what, this will be f16. I think this is 16. I mean, so it's from f6 to f16. So f16. You understand? All together. Okay. So from f6 to f16, then you want to put your comma, and you put comma 0, and then click enter. So what you observe is that what that formula is supposed to do is to look for where the first place we had yes. So that's what you're looking for. You go to match the keyword yes. Okay, I go to match the keyword yes. Then f6. Then between where is that yes going to be? It's going to be in this array. Where's the array? The array is between f6 and then f16. All together. So it's going to look for the first year where we crossed our target, which was year 5, where we wrote yes here. Alright, so that's that. We're not done yet. So now we want to create our chart title. We'll be creating a chart shortly. So we want to create a dynamic title for our chart. So there's a formula guiding that as well. Let me confirm. Alright, so this is the formula. You have to just learn this formula. And so make sure you learn it. Make sure you learn it. I'll copy it in our. Okay, I'll send this to the group. So make sure you learn this formula. That's the formula for that. So let's get back to work. So on our chart title, we're using this formula. It's called the if error function. If error function. So first of all, you click here, you click equals to. No. So let's this is why that one is coming out, because we copied this from an Excel file. Alright, so let's clean that out. So you paste it here. So if error means it's going to look for the code you are giving it now. For example, now we are asking it to check if we hit our target. If we hit our target, it will say we hit our target. Let me change it to we hit our target. Right, we hit our target. We hit our target in year what did we hit our target? So if we didn't hit our target, it will bring out this else function. So this else function here, we're going to write so else, that if error, if means if we hit our target to print out this one. But if it has error meaning we didn't hit our target to print out this. So I mean this break even something. So when you want to change this to right, say didn't hit, not change to something like target. Okay, we didn't hit the target, something like that. So we didn't hit the target. You understand? So of course change this E19 to where is this one? This is this is D20. So change it to D20. So then click enter. So you observe. Okay. It is changing. It is bringing, because we copied it from okay, just give me a minute, please. Let me correct something here. At D20 is supposed to be 5. So here is correct. Here is supposed to be E19. Here is E19. The reason why it's affecting this one is because we copied the code from a fellow Excel sheet. So you understand, you don't want to copy it. So copy it from the notepad I will send it to the group. Copy from the notepad, send it to the group. So okay, let's get back to where we are working. So you come back here. Here's our code. So you paste our code, you copy it from. So here you want to pick it as D20. Say D20. You understand? Then you click on enter. You understand? So now you observe is it wrote we will break even in year 5. So we don't want it to be break even. We want to say we hit our target in year 5. So let's change to we hit our target. We hit our target in year 5. Then this if I remember I said if error means if you actually achieve what you wanted to achieve, it will print out the first statement. But if you didn't achieve it, it will print out the second statement. So we said didn't hit target. Didn't hit target. So perhaps we didn't hit our target. It will print out didn't hit target. But since we hit our target, it's right to print out we hit our target in year 5. Or if we are not predicting, we'll say we will hit our target in year 5. Then click OK. So we're going to create what's known as series title. Our series title. So you want to copy this. There'll be a formula that I'll send to the group as well. So it is not this formula is quite long, so I would have prefer we copy it than rather than okay, just copy it. I will send it to the group, don't worry, I'll send everything to the group. So let me get this notepad ready. So give me a minute please. Alright, so I've copied it here already. So I guess we are good to go. So you just get back to normal. Sorry, I'm trying to correct something. So this was my worksheet. This is where I work personally. Alright, so back to where we were teaching. So back to book 2. So series title. So because we're trying to create a dynamic chart, that's why we're doing all this. Alright, so this formula now will to point out what is known as you say sales growth. Sales open bracket growth is equals to our growth rate is 0.2. You understand? So this is how the formula works. This and test growth rate. Remember this growth rate is the name that is in this place here. Growth rate is the name that is here. So that's how the formula works. It starts with an and, ends with an and, then you put a test in between it, then you put your name, whatever. Then make sure you don't forget to put that 0.0 there. It is very, very important. So and there we go. So we have growth rate of 0.2. So now let's chart our let's create our dynamic chart. So we want to do that this select year 1 and actual sales. Select year 1 and actual sales. Then you click on insert. Then you click on come to this one, and click OK. You understand? So you observe our title here, it's giving us a chosen title. So all we want to do is come to layout, click on add element, click on chart title, then come here and click on center overlaid. So when we click on center overlaid, you want to go to the formula tab, click on equals to, then you click on this. Click on this place where we wrote our chart title. This where we wrote our chart title formula. You click on this here, then click enter. Then you observe it is printing out what we wrote. What's the chart title here now is what exactly what we wrote in this place. All this is the process of making what's known as our dynamic chart. So you can also do the same thing for the series. So let's insert a let's for insert a legend. So on this legend now you observe it is trying to it is written as actual sales. So that should be our series title. So what you want to do now is to right click on the data, click on select data, then click on edit. When you click on edit, you come and click on this formula here, then click on OK. Then okay, the other year has changed. So you might still be wondering, okay, what's the entire dynamic stuff about? Okay, let me first create something first. Let's put some labels. For easy to understand, let's put some labels. Okay, so you might still be wondering, okay, so what's the dynamic? What is this dynamic all about? So now let me show you an example of dynamic now. What we've done so far. Now see, if Paraventure, the company decides that they want to change their targets from 2,000 to 3,000. Remember, all the formula we've been using so far was 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. But now, if for example they change it to 3,000, that means we'll have to create the entire table and chart from the beginning again. But since we already made it dynamic, we'll not change it again. It will automatically update by itself. Now see, okay. When I click enter, you observe that all our figures change. And if you observe that before we only hit our target at year 8. Now right now, sorry, before we hit our target at year 5. Now right now our target at year 8. And this is year 8. You understand? And you observe the chart has gone a little bit higher. You understand? Alright, so let's assume the growth rate is around 0.3. Let's assume okay, God favor them. They began to grow faster. You know that we hit our target at year 4. So all these changes that we're making, if it's a non-dynamic chart, it will stress us to build everything all from scratch again. But since it's a dynamic chart, it automatically updates itself. Hope that is understandable. All right. See you in our next video. Thank you and God